Hi. I'm responding to your email here with some of the changes that you want made to the site. I thought I would just do a recording on how to do this. Here's your email. So I'll go back here. I've already logged in. Go to White County GOP, and I want to go to the Stay Informed page, click Edit. Um, and I come down here, click on that and click right there on the Edit HTML content. And there we go. We're in the editor. I had some questions about what to do because um, um, this isn't an email address. It is, it's a web address. So I wouldn't actually advise putting your email address on the website because a lot of robots and crawlers will pick that up and you'll end up with just way too much spam. So what I'm going to do here is just link to the um, White County GOP contact us page. Okay, so I will come back here. I'm just going to take that out. I'm just going to have a link there. It'll say email. I'm going to swipe that. And I'm going to say, going to go up here. I'm going to click on this, which notice says insert or edit link. Okay, so the URL, what do I put in there to get to the page? I came over here to another browser window and I clicked on the contact us page. And there's the address right up in the address bar, of course. So I'm just going to copy this part of it. You really don't need to put the whole domain in there. I suppose it'd work if you would, but you have to put in the HTTP and everything else, I suppose. There's the text that you have. Target, you probably want that to open in a new window. Should open in the person's mailer, but usually, no. I'm going to put that just open in the, just the default there. It'll just open in a regular page. We'll do the new window later. Okay, so I'm going to click Save. I need to click on OK first, so I'm going to put I'm going to click OK. There, see that got highlighted. Okay, the Facebook. Again, you got to find out what the URL is. .com. Let me see. Why isn't it letting me in here? I guess this is it. Wait, right here. White County Republican Party. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that URL, right click, copy. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to take and just get rid of that. Okay, going to insert or edit a hyperlink. There's the URL. Now this I want to open in a new window. Usually if you're jumping to a different site, you do that in a different window. Actually, it opens in a different tab nowadays, but that way just let them know that they've gone to a different site and they can still go back and refer to your main site if they want to, okay? So that works. Facebook. Okay, the phone number we've already got. Is that right? Yeah, that looks right. Okay, your second change was Chris Carr. Okay, so Chris Carr. Again, that's not a email address. That's a website. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to test that URL and make sure it's good. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so going to get rid of email. Website. Or just right click. I can also go back up here, scroll back up, and click on that link there. But that does the same thing. I can right click and click the same thing. I'm going to paste that URL in there. Title. I'm just put I'm just gonna you don't need to put a title in there. Take out Sam Olin's name. I'm gonna click on OK. Okay, Twitter you gave me, so I'm gonna copy that. I don't know anything about Twitter, so I'm just gonna trust you that this is good. Let me see. I guess I can paste that in here and see what happens. Okay, so that works. Just double checking everyone's work here. Insert link. Do that. I'm just going to blank that title. Okay. I think it's just for visually impaired people if you hold the mouse on top of it or something. I'm not sure what that does. Okay, same thing with Facebook. That's not, let's see what you've got there already. Edit, insert link. No, that's not it. That's Sam Olin. So I go back up here. Chris Carr. I guess that's him. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to take this one, going to go, copy, go back here, and just to do that. Okay. Okay, so that should all be okay. I want to save this just because I don't want to do too much work here without risk losing it. I can click publish now to just kind of put what we've done. We can actually go test it. The email takes us there. Facebook opens a new tab, takes us there. That all looks good. Carr. Okay, that didn't work. Need to put the I need to put the HTTP before that. So let me go fix that. See, that worked. Website, Twitter. I need to put the HTTP before that, okay? I'm going to go back. And also what I want to do, I'm going to put in like a blank line above each one of these. It's really hard to pick your way through there, okay? So I'm going to go to edit, Click here. Oops. Click here. Click edit. Okay. So let me fix the. Oh, you've got extra lines in this. Let me delete. Press enter. I don't know why it's showing up here with extra blank lines. And not anywhere else. Okay, so let's go here, insert link, HTTP. Okay, let's do that. Facebook was okay, insert link. Okay, so that is that. Okay, here we've got a legitimate email address. So I was hoping I would come to one of these to show you how to do that. Copy. Okay. District 8. Okay. Insert link. See, just put the mail to in front of that is all you do. And it's got view window, which is correct. Okay, we got that one done. And PSC, District 4 Eastern, Lauren Bubba McDonald. You got an email address here. Okay, new window. Okay, email, not Tim Eccles anymore. I'm just going to delete that. Okay, website. Copy that. Make sure it's really good. Yep. Insert link. Paste, right click and paste. I forget using the shortcuts for some of these, but you can right click and paste, or also Control V as in Victor, also paste. Going to save that. Going to publish it. Okay. Okay, now some of them have an extra space here. I don't like that. I want to fix that. Okay, so between governor and lieutenant governor, it's okay. Let me edit that, but then after lieutenant governor, it loses a spacing. Copied a lot of this from your old site, and it was lieutenant governor. Edit. They look the same. I can go up here and I can look at the actual HTML behind that to see if it see anything here. Georgia state elected officials, and has a break in there. This is really hard to, I'm not going to try to do that now. Okay, so I'm just going to go back here. I'm going to delete, enter. I'm deleting whatever garbage is there. Put another one in, hit delete, just kind of try to clean that up. Let me see if I get a space between Lieutenant Governor and Secretary of State now. See, this one here, I don't have it either. Let me save it. Publish now. Just refresh to make sure it took. And sure enough, we're still not getting anything before Secretary of State. So let me go back. Let me edit again. We put an extra one. I put 2 in there instead. Let's just do that. Better too many than not enough in this case. Okay, let's save that. So I'm not putting those extra spaces in there. Okay, I'll look at that later. I just don't have time to do it right now. Something funny is going on that got copied over from the sales site. Okay, so let's just double check our work here. Okay, that looks okay. Semicolon at the end. The mailer may have put that in. That's not the mailer I normally use. Yeah, you can look down on the lower left-hand corner. Look down here when I hold the email over. You see that is correct. Um, last guy we did was called PSC. Okay, I get website. Yep, that works. Closing this extra stuff here. And Facebook. Okay, that works. All right, so that is done.